How to log in Synchrony credit card account online banking. To log into Synchrony credit card, simply open a default web browser in a device. Start by searching Synchrony credit card login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Synchrony credit card and financing. As soon as you get into this link, you'll be taken to the home page. On the top right side of the screen, you'll find login button. Select credit card option from there after tapping the login button, and a new web page is loaded. You'll be asked about your username there. Enter the username of your account in the placeholder space and then enter the password below it. And then make sure to check right on Remember Me and finally tap on Login. If you have forgotten your username or password, then you might tap on I forgot my username or password link. And even register from I want to register if you haven't yet registered an account. And in this way, you can log into Synchrony credit card account online. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.